everybody, it's Lori. I'm back to do some more tiles for coasters. Today, what I'm going to do is some double dip. I'm going to dip 2 coasters, put paint on, and take 2 coasters, press them together, pull them apart, and the same thing with the second 2. And we're going to see what we can get out of these nice spring colors that I've got going on here. I'm going to put some Artist Loft white with satin enamels and get that chunk out of there as a base. And then I'm going to put the color on top of that. And we'll go from here. Got some nice spring colors today. I want to be ready for spring. I'm ready for spring. I want my art to be ready for spring. We've had some nice early spring weather on and off, but snowstorms and everything in between. I guess that's pretty typical for this time of year. Spring weather is actually not so typical, but I'll take it whenever we can get it. It's only the beginning of March. Not even. It's the last day of February today, as a matter of fact. February 28th. So, it's pretty cold out there today. But the sun's shining. Went out to do some things yesterday, and the wind was blowing so hard and so cold, it was just, went right through you. But anyway, we know it's coming. We know spring is coming, and that's a good thing. So, I already did put some paint on the 2 sides that are facing each other before I put them down on the spinner here, because I wanted to make it easier on myself. It's important to get that stuff covered, those sides. I can touch them up later if I miss anything, or there's writing on one of the sides, so if that comes through, we'll touch that up. But so what I've got for colors today, I have pink. This pink is a combination of 3 pinks that I had just little bits of left over. And then I put some Bling It from ColourArte Bling It Mica and Minerals in Violet Sparkle. It's a color shift, white and violet, so it should be pretty in here when it dries. Don't ask me what these 3 pinks are. I think there's an Amsterdam or 2 in there, and tiny bit of the Arteza Pearl Rose. I don't know. But it's a pretty spring pink. This is Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Metallic. I've got here Amsterdam Vermillion. It's a really pretty orange. Got the Artist Loft Neon Green and Neon Blue. Artist Loft Metallic Purple. And I think I'm going to put just a touch maybe of the DecoArt Metallic Green in there too. Just because. So I'm going to put color on just one of these, I think. One of these tiles. And make sure there's enough for both of them. And I'm just going to kind of put it down random. Like. Actually putting colors together though that kind of go together. As long as the purple and the orange don't blend too much, because we can get brown out of that. But the greens, the 2 greens, and then along with the blue. And the purple will come out if we get any of that blue and pink together, so that should work out fine too. Alrighty. Put this gold right down here. Okay. No, there's not a lot of point in popping bubbles, but there was that big one at right now, because we're just going to get more. Alright, let's see what we get here. Push them together, allowing the paint to ooze out the sides. I think I'm going to pull them up this way. The side that had all the colors on it first, if I can get them apart. Well, not sure. I'm not sure. I think if I spin them out, they're going to be kind of cool. So let's do the other two, and then I can spin them all together. I can see some interesting things happening in here with the lines. And there's still some good puddles though, so let's see if we can do this in the same order here. We had some green here, DecoArt green, and neon green, cobalt blue. Did I even put cobalt blue over there? I don't think I did. Oh well, maybe I did. I don't remember. I'll have to look at the video again when I'm done. See what I did. Alright, orange, purple, and gold. I didn't mean to do that. We're going to try this though. This may not go up as a video at all. The paint here. I like that better. That's good. Alright, let's do more over here. So there's the final wet result. Kind of looks like tie-dye. Really cool. I'm anxious to see how they look when they're dry and resined and all the sparkles and the neons really shine. I like them. Again, very springy. That's the idea. I think that one's my favorite. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you all very much. You take care, and until next time, bye.